Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Toyota 4Runner's Bluetooth. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine running or in accessory mode. Next, grab your phone and navigate to its settings to ensure Bluetooth is active and discoverable. It's also a good idea to clear out any old, unused Bluetooth connections from both your phone and your 4Runner system to prevent conflicts and ensure a smooth pairing process. Now, let's get your phone paired. On your 4Runner's dashboard, locate and press the Setup button. From the menu that appears on your touchscreen, select Bluetooth, then choose Add New Device. Your 4Runner will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your phone's name in the list that pops up on the screen and select it to initiate the connection. You're almost there. After selecting your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and your 4Runner's display. Double-check that these numbers match exactly before proceeding. Once confirmed, accept the pairing request on your phone to finalize the connection. To ensure everything is working correctly, try playing some audio from your phone or making a quick hands-free call through your 4Runner system. You can connect up to 5 devices to your vehicle. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and your 4Runner's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. Also, make sure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can improve Bluetooth compatibility and performance. And for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your connected driving experience with your Toyota 4Runner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.